So my name is Kevin Switzer. I'm a security consultant with Ingram Micro and also a member of our Delta Force cybersecurity team. And for this brief video, we're going to touch on the topic of zero trust. And our approach to this is going to be trust nothing and verify everything. So to give you an idea of where we would get started with this type of approach is take a look at what we were trying to protect. And where we're going to start with this is an acronym called DAS. And what this stands for is Data, Assets, Applications, and Services. This is very important for this topic. So again, DAS stands for Data, Assets, Applications, and Services. So this is one of those terms that's going to keep coming around and around and back to us. So please make note of that. So we want to take a look at our most critical data and figure out and identify what that really is. So we're typically looking at things like PII, which is personal identifiable information, PHI, which is protected health information, IP, which is intellectual property, and PCI, which is payment card industry. Also, we want to take a good look at and qualify our assets, our IoT devices, our SCADA, which is supervisory and control acquisition services, point of sale devices, workstations and non-workstations. Also, classify our applications, any type of software that we use for our business purposes, whether they're off-the-shelf box products, custom in-house software products, or also cloud. Also, our network services, so DHCP, DNS, SMTP, and LDAP. Next, we're going to create what we call micro perimeters for each of these cases. The main principles of zero trust, we're going to allow access to corporate resource and determination of dynamic policies, which is enforced on a per session basis and updated on current state of client ID, application/service, and requesting asset or device. All communications to resource must be authenticated, authorized, and we prefer if they can be encrypted. Authentication and authorizations should be agnostic to the underlying network, so a completely separate system performing the authentication and authorization. Also, the system must monitor and measure the integrity and security posture of all the own assets being connected. Keep in mind, zero trust is a journey, and it's an ongoing journey. This is not simply something we implement and forget about, and it's going to continue to work the way we want to. So we will need to take those steps over and over again to revisit those components as different types of DASs are added. Once this is up and running, you really want to focus on identifying any type of suspicious behavior, be able to investigate and threat hunt and have a remediation plan in place, always monitor and maintain, and also future projects are going to come up, new pieces of DAS are going to be implemented, so we need to have some type of inclusion plan as business goes forward. And at this point, pretty much the zero trust architecture journey really does cycle back to the beginning. Now, if you'd like to learn more, please check out our 10-minute video on this or contact any member of our Delta Force security team. Thank you.